So good day everybody, welcome to this first video clip that I am producing for those who are interested in thinking about a research project and are ready to write the research proposal. I would like to suggest some important steps that you might take, steps that would be very fruitful for you in writing this research proposal. First of all, I'd like you to think about a research proposal as a map that sets out important steps that you might want to take in your research paper. Proposal helps you to transform yourself from a consumer of knowledge to a producer of knowledge. So let us get started. The first step is a rationale with which you open your proposal. Think of the rationale as an invitation that you extend to others to read your proposal and eventually also to read about your research as well. The second step is a literature review. A literature review is a consideration of what others have done in your particular field that you have chosen. The literature review suggests your appreciation and consideration of what others have written, a careful understanding of what they have done and how they might contribute to your project, but at the same time also something that you would like to say to them in turn. The third step is the formulation of a question. Usually you formulate a question on the basis of what others have done, identifying a new question, identifying a new area that you would like to produce. You might start your research project with a question already, but still consider what others have done and perhaps use that review to refine your question. So the third step is really formulating a key question that would guide your research, that would produce the new knowledge for you and for others. The fourth step is a theoretical framework. This is where you would choose a theoretical framework to guide your research area. You might want to consider one or two or three possible theoretical frameworks, but eventually you choose one that works for you and particularly for your question and also for the data that you've got. The fifth step is methodology. Here you consider the question, you consider the theoretical framework, and then decide what kind of data that you would need for your research project. You identify the methods that you would use to collect that data. The sixth and final step is an outline of your research. Already at this stage you begin to say that you will need an introduction and a conclusion, obviously, but you will also begin to give an outline of a few other chapters that would come between the introduction and conclusion. Almost like telling yourself, mapping out for yourself that this is eventually what your research paper, your thesis will look like. So with these 6 important steps, in the next few video clips, I will provide some more information and some more insights, some more suggestions for you on how to go about writing this research proposal. Remember to include all of these steps and remember to follow them in the order in which I am proposing. I wish you well. Thank you very much for your attention.